Your church has many people connecting in many ways. With so much for your team to do, those people can quickly be forgotten and fall through the cracks. Processes help track follow-up of people and can also be used to automate some actions. Let's take a look at using a process for new people. Each column represents a step of the process, and each card is a person to follow up. Here you can see a number of people have been added to the process. In this case, a custom new person form is linked to this process. When visitors fill in the form in the Welcome Lounge, they are added to this process. You can also click Add People in a column to manually add people. The first step of this process has automatic actions. One of the actions queues an email to be sent at 8 a.m. on Monday with more details about getting connected. Many churches also set up an action to send a personalized SMS an hour after their visit or on the following Friday to invite them back. Note, if you have any assigned people who are due or overdue, then you will receive a summary email at 8 a.m. I can see that Beth Lowe is assigned to me and is due for a call. When I click on her name, I see Beth's profile and details of the current process step. I've tried to call Beth earlier today, but she didn't answer. I'm going to add a brief note to that effect. When I save, you'll see the note is linked to the current process step to help give it context. As I have started follow-up but not completed it, I will select Started. When I save, you see there is now a green dot on Beth's card. This lets the rest of my team know that I haven't overlooked this person. Once I talk to Beth, I can open her follow-up card again and update the note with details of our discussion. I then select the next step and click Save, moving Beth to the selected step. Often I'll just want to focus on people assigned to me and due in the next few days. I can use the drop-down options in the top right of the process to display exactly that. Also, if I need to remove a person for any reason, then I can click the Options menu on the card and delete. Jay Chan is also due for follow-up. Let's say I spoke with her on the weekend. She's loving church and plans to stick around. I don't need to add notes, so I just drag her card to the Church Regulars step. There are automatic actions on this step that adds her to the Church Regulars group and marks her as having completed this process. As such, you'll see that she fades out of the process board. If you need to change the steps of a process, tap the Options menu in the top right and edit. See the process video on creating a process for more info on what options are available.